May I now request Lakshmi Menon, our CEO, the New Indian Express CEO, to come and deliver the welcome speech. As you see, we walk the talk. So our CEO is a woman, our editor is a woman, our head of marketing is a woman. We're pretty much run by women. Lakshmi.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the New Indian Express Group, it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to the 30th edition of the Devi Awards here in the dynamic and ever-energetic region of Delhi. Delhi is no stranger to powerful women. From the halls of governance to the corridors of innovation, this region has been shaped by women who refuse to take no for an answer. We're deeply honored to have His Excellency Arif Mohammad Khan, the Governor of Kerala, as our chief guest this evening. Sir, your leadership and wisdom have been a guiding light for so many. Your commitment to justice and equality, especially for women, is unparalleled, as you have shown through your actions, most notably by resigning from the Union Cabinet in protest against the passing of the Muslim Personal Law Bill, a stance that highlighted your unwavering belief in the principles of fairness and dignity for women. Your presence here tonight is a powerful affirmation of the importance of recognizing and celebrating women's contributions. Thank you for joining us, sir, and for proving that real leaders walk the talk. And if I may say, it's refreshing to see a man leading the applause for women tonight. At the New Indian Express, we firmly believe that empowering women is not just an option, it is a necessity for a progressive and inclusive society. The Devi Awards is our humble effort to honor women who have shattered stereotypes, redefined success, and in some cases probably balanced work calls while navigating Delhi traffic. The women we celebrate tonight are nothing short of extraordinary. They have turned obstacles into opportunities and risen to heights that many can only dream of. Whether they're building businesses, championing social causes, or inspiring change in their communities, they embody the true spirit of Devi. Ladies and gentlemen, as we turn our attention to our Devis, let us be reminded that their achievements are not just their own, they are milestones for all of us. These women remind us of what is possible when talent meets determination and when society rallies to support its daughters. Thank you for being here tonight to celebrate the women who are not just changing Delhi, but transforming India. Let's make this an evening to remember, an evening of inspiration, celebration, and of course, the indomitable charm of women power. Thank you and welcome to Devi Awards, Delhi.